I go through that way.
He's having a problem.
Oh my God, bro.
Bro, I'm ready to get up out of here because what you mean we're having a problem? This over here. No.
I can't die in a cave. This not.
Josh, listen, Josh. The hole isn't that small. It's like the one we went through. It's not that small. Like that. If I can fit through it, you definitely can.
Especially Janelle can fit through it. So can you. Well, you're the smallest out of all of us. Boy, bye.
Right.
You a skinny queen, Josh.
You're right.
You got this.
We have to remind you of how
you want to go first?
For you to go?
No, I don't want to go first.
But you gonna make it? Why not go first when you get it over with?
No, I'm gonna go after.
You got it, okay? You want more?
What the? Which way? This way?
Yeah. Head first.
Head first.
Put your head together and then bring it together. Okay? Don't put your legs out anymore. Just go ahead. Torso only.
Josh, it's good. You got it.
No, if you guys or myself can do it, Josh can do it.
Yes, it's okay. Here's
Is Josh crying?
we gonna get through this together.
Yeah, Josh is scared.
Exactly.
I'm scared too. Shit.
You'll be fine. Right? You good? Keep going. Your legs stuck? Where? Where is it stuck? Yeah, you got it. Alan's right there, guys.
I could sleep right here. I'm not sleeping in the room.
Wait.
You do.
My shit be
Why are
making
they
noise.
Guys?
It's not laughing matter. It's dead serious. It was a scream and then laughing. So probably she just.
Zoe, calm down. It's okay.
I'm right here with you, alright?
Yes, I do.
Let's lift up the knee.
It can't be that bad. No, I'm shaking now.
It's right there, bro. He knows where we're at right now, and he's right there.
No way. I'm gonna have to fight him for this. He got me lost and shit. No, we gonna have to throw him.
Hey.
We gonna have to duke it out.
Hey,
Through your nose. Through your nose.
other people crying will make me.
Through your nose. Through your nose.
Why can't I just go through the up there?
I'm also here, okay?
Yeah.
Don't feel
No,
like it.
Alec, me and Alec gonna have to
Just
duke
put
it
your
out.
head through. Just put your head down.
I'll get it.
I'm with you, okay?
I
Alright.
don't think we were here,
Okay?
but we did go through the wishing well.
Like,
I remember that.
Zoe, if you could go through the wishing well, you could do this.
I didn't go last.
The wishing one is way down.
Alan's right there, right?
Okay?
Okay, so we're fine.
Are you in pain?
Please go
You're
through.
not hurting anymore, are you? Okay. You're
Why
alright.
they screaming?
Josh, it's not that bad.
Okay.
It's like,
Let's,
you know how they go on
let's
a
see if
roller
you can
coaster,
squeeze this
scream
leg
like
up.
fun?
Yo,
That's kind of what it is.
this is terrifying.
Alright?
No,
Dude, Alan's
Let's sit
like
up.
twice your
Sit
size, bro. He's been here billions of
You
times.
see how he didn't go through that tiny hole?
Turn.
That's what I just
Face
told you.
this way. Face your chest
I know,
this way.
old man Mike is
And then
over
just
there
slide
with
in,
my
okay?
friend Amir.
You'll be fine.
And my camera.
You guys just want to go back a bit?
Stepped on my toes.
Yeah, move back a
Go
bit.
back, guys.
No. Old man Mike is over there with.
Alright, we're going back.
Watch out, guys. And apparently, old man Mike.
Back up.
Back more.
Back up and like cove off.
Yeah, like turn, get down.
Just close them up.
I'm okay.
And breathe through them.
Good, Josh. I'm glad you're okay.
After you prayed to Jesus, he got you right.
Now,
I ain't let my boy die.
Oh, shit.
Wait, we going back? What's going on?
Now, take me back to the entrance right now.
Alright, Zoe's a little
I'm not
scared,
late.
but I'm talking her through it, alright?
I want to go home.
You're gonna be fine.
I'm still in the camp.
No, like
I'm
genuinely.
pretty sure you signed a form, so you can't sue this guy.
No.
Your parents.
I didn't sign it. My mom signed it.
Yeah, but then you.
No, I didn't. Nope.
No,
I
not
didn't write
actually.
nothing.
My legs do hurt.
I'm suing.
Like my
Hey,
head.
what are y'all doing?
That was when you're 18.
Hello? Paige, y'all coming back up?
Around there, right?
And why you coming back?
If my light was dying, I was about to.
See, that wasn't the light.
Yo, it is kind of a little scary. I ain't gonna hold you.
What fucking light do we got?
The knee pads hurt.
Bro, like I'm not going back on that. I'm not going back on that hole.
Try to.
If it's
Oh
one- if it's a
yeah.
drum right
Let's
there,
straighten them.
I genuinely don't think you can.
This
fit
is all
it.
smart.
I just pushed them down with the
Take a little bit of time.
Oh look, I see his light.
You guys are fine. Just stay put where you are.
We're fine.
No, bro, come get me.
Hazel.
You going to sit down?
Come up this way.
Where?
Zoe, if you want to come back, you can. Yeah, Josh. I mean, Alan just said we can come back up.
Guys, like this.
Zoe, come on. Come here.
What is that?
Come here. I got you. Take my hand.
Wait, Scott.
Take my hand. Come on. You can't let the fear stop you from moving. You're safe, okay?
Here with you, okay?
Come on. I got you. Come on. If I could get through it, you can too.
You got it. You got it.
We're all here for you, okay?
You got it. I got your legs.
We're like 20 people in here, okay?
Come on, it's okay. I promise you, you're safe.
Alright. Just take it back, okay?
You can. Here, look. Go to the left.
Come on, baby. I got you. I'm right here. You can go back. Here, come here.
Bro, stop. Stop having me panic.
Josh.
Deep breath, Zoe, deep breath. Count to 4 when you breathe in.
1.
Zoe,
Breathe in and out.
me.
Hi, Max. High five.
No. Slower. Slower your
Breathe in.
breath.
That butt stop.
Breathe in through your nose.
out of here. Like, on some real shit.
1. Out through your mouth. 2. In through your nose.
All right.
Out through your mouth.
Watch out. You can go before me. I can go
Out through your mouth.
Fuck.
In through your nose.
Yo, I don't think you should post this
Out through
video.
your mouth.
Scott, that was not the time. Wait, watch out, Tim.
By the way, we didn't get lost. Yeah, this is weird. Nothing like this happened. We're just having fun.
I hope you still want to go through this.
I love you so much, okay?
I'm shaking a little bit.
Nothing's
Two people that
gonna
cried.
happen to us. Okay, nothing is gonna happen to you. I promise you. That's okay. I know how you feel. It's tight. When you're feeling, it's okay. It's okay to cry. It's normal human feelings. I want you to know that. You continue to cry. Just
Just try to control your breathing.
so you don't run out of breath.
Don't hyperventilate.
Come here.
Where are they going?
Through that hole to get to the over there.
You got this though, okay?
Is that Josh up there?
I promise you, nothing's gonna happen to you when I'm here with you, alright?
I think so.
Oh, nah, they both.
Yeah, okay.
It's alright to cry. I want you to know that.
Oh my
And
god.
you ain't the only one who cried.
I hope you know.
So I don't think that
It's
It's okay.
Josh, you ain't
Can you
seen
help everyone?
Oh God,
Wait, are you Max?
signed a contract.
No, I'd help us.
Is that Jill?
That's Jill.
Yeah. I'm trying to go through there.
How would you get us
Too tight?
balls?
Yeah, I rotated my body like 5 times in a 360
Oh, you guys
like
have
degree.
what's his name?
I just can't get my head
What's his
through.
name? You guys have.
Jano?
Yeah.
You got
Oh,
it,
push
though.
you guys up.
Just try to articulate your breathing. Not articulate.
Scott, is it difficult?
Bro,
my knees are on
all my knees.
Out through your mouth.
Really, all my thighs.
Actually, I may need some help.
Okay.
I don't know how far God.
Yo, it's actually lightweight. I can't even grab Just Josh, go up this fat leg. Right here.
I know it's scary, but you're safe, okay?
We don't want you to hyperventilate. You just gotta breathe.
My hips
Okay?
dying.
It's deep and slow.
Alright, you got that?
Yeah.
Alright.
Everybody is over there. You can do it.
Right, if me and Miss Thickums can do it, me and Jalen, you can do it too.
Y'all want to do that? We got that.
I told you, very fun.
You want me to do it first?
Taryn, I'm right behind
Is
you.
Jano here?
I'm here.
He's all the way in the back.
Can you help
I'll go
push
behind
people
Taryn.
up? Or
Sure.
Zoe, you could go behind Jalen. Taryn, we'll go last.
Language, buddy boy.
we have to get Jano here so he can help us go up. So let's just make some room for Jano.
Wait, oh hell no!
Nah, you got that. You got that. It's good.
Man, hell no! Max, you
Where
smoking?
do you guys need help?
Max, you smoking?
This is a big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stand there.
Oh, Max, your feet
Max
all
was
in my
standing
face
there,
now. You smoking sick?
You can step right here.
Well, no, I don't want to hurt your foot because I'm happy.
On my hands.
Everything's gonna be
Step on my
fine.
hands. Yeah. Good.
You're going after Jalen, okay?
You're
How do I
good.
do this?
You have to crawl through. Squeeze your body.
Joey, I'm sure if Jalen can do it, you can too.
Wait, let go. Wait, don't let go. I can't.
I've got you.
No, don't let go. Please do not let go.
I'm not letting go.
I can't grab anything.
All right.
I
Can you
can't.
push your torso through?
Be more flat. Flat on yourself.
Yeah.
I can't.
Okay. Could you? Okay.
No.
Slide your knee out. Slide your knee back out. I won't let you go. Slide your knee back. Slide your knee back. All right.
And of course, I gotta be the bitch with the damn GoPro.
I don't got nothing.
Okay. Okay. Don't.
Wait, no, I'm scared. Like, actually.
You're fine. Just go more to the left.
I was surprised that Zoe went through here.
Okay. Good. Go more to the left. I'm gonna push you by your feet. All right.
Where?
Just go straight up to the left.
I can't.
You can't.
No. Wait, let me get back down.
All
Zoe,
right.
look at me. Look at me. Look
Let
at
me
me.
see if I can.
Look at me. Look at me. Zoe, look at me. You're gonna be okay.
Back off the page.
You're gonna be okay.
Ow.
Let's see.
Ow.
All right. So guys, what I want you guys to do is go here. Actually, this is quite a tough one.
Is both my lights still on?
Yeah. That's the emergency room if this one's not working.
I know, but I need an extra light.
Well, how he do it? I can't do it.
Oh no, Jano, what the fuck?
Oh, this too hard. I might have to go back. I can't even lie.
Jano, can you come back?
Can we go through the other way?
Jano,
The fuck?
Jano.
He's supposed to lift us.
Why the fuck you leave 5 girls back here?
All right, guys.
I'm really thirsty and I'm about to hyperventilate.
Jano, can you come
I need
back?
my freaking
I'm here.
alcohol.
I'm here.
You is not right
You
here.
need me to come back?
Yeah.
Okay.
How do you do it? I can't push myself up. I don't have any type of body strength. No lower body or upper body.
I'm okay when I just get out this bitch.
Okay.
I wanna go.
Do all of you want to
It
go
feels
through
nice.
back through the easy way?
I couldn't
No.
because I would be
I wanna
scared
go
the
the
rocks
fast
falling
way.
on me.
Yeah, so we can hurry up because I want to get out.
Okay. Should I take Zoe through?
Probably, yeah.
I need one more person to come with me with Zoe.
Wait,
Turn.
switch.
Yeah, I gotta fart.
Walk way.
Zoe's buddy is over there, so Jalen, can you be her buddy for now?
Walk way, Jano.
My buddy over there
Walk
too.
way. We are going.
My buddy already
I
left. I
have to come
can't do
back so I
this.
can take Zoe through.
I'm gonna
Okay?
start crying too.
Oh,
Back up the way we came.
no. Which way do we go out with?
The next part is really easy. So if you guys can come through here, it's really
This
easy.
really is a one and done thing, right?
It was never like this for when we went.
Because why would he think it's over there?
Grab my hand.
He told us to go straight, and we went straight.
Why I feel like mine not as bright as yours.
Because yours is probably dying. Mine is
left
too.
leg, put it up there.
So use your
Up
emergency
there.
one.
All the way up.
What's my emergency?
It's on this
Right
side.
there.
I mean, it's the other side.
How do I turn it on?
Yep.
Click it at the back.
And then you push, grab around here, and push up with your leg.
So he took both their notes. That's crazy.
Wait! Whoa!
Wait, how you gonna
Zizi!
What the fuck?
Zizi, you can't leave us back here!
Zorka, I don't even play about that. You got Mama, I'm scared.
You would have left too, and you know it.
I'll come back to you guys. I'm on my way.
Fuck you mean? Yo! Don't irritate me.
I'm about to go with my mom.
We as scared as y'all is. Wait, is my
Should've
socks
never
still
signed
clean?
that waiver.
My socks not clean no more. Oh.
Why are you wearing your jeans? I'm about to die. You know what? What if I fall down head first on purpose?
What the fuck?
You want another hug?
You want a group hug?
Let her breathe, y'all.
I'm right here, guys. I'm on my
If she
way
wants to
back.
hug, let her say that because you don't want to be all over her space and she don't want to hug. Alright, let's see if I can do this shit.
Wait, hold on, guys. Let me come through. Come back.
Wait, Jenna, I think I might can do it.
Zoe, are you good to do it?
That's not Zoe.
Let me hear Zoe. Zoe,
Yes.
are you okay to come through here?
Let me see it.
This is
If
this
Jalen
is-
can get
this is
through,
better
you
compared to
sure as
going
hell can.
that other way.
Pretty sure, 10 times better.
So the left side here, you see, whoa. You see the left there? Put your left leg up in there.
How do I do? I can't.
You just stretch it up. Yeah, push it up in there.
Jalen, put your other foot on the rock. I need help.
I can't pull you
So
up.
it's just gonna be 2 or less.
You can't?
Two
Probably
of us.
can, but
No, shut up.
Wait, stop.
Just listen and then we do that like live.
I'm gonna be scared to do that one. Like, hold you. Cause
Wait, I'm
I'm
actually scared. This is scary.
This
Me
this
and
part
Zoe
is
about the
super
same
easy.
size.
There's no place to get stuck here. Absolutely zero.
I need to breathe. How did they do this for fun?
You'll be alright. Okay.
But you know, I'm scared.
There's no
I've never did this before.
You see
This
your,
is the
you see over
first
there?
trip.
Try and see if you can put your left foot in there.
This was, for us, this was like the third trip.
See if you can put your left foot
Right here?
in. Yeah.
While they up
You can
in that
put your
bitch
left foot in
hiking and shit.
No,
Catching crawfish.
Yeah.
no,
Eating
literally.
There you
seafood.
go.
Like,
Are they gonna catch us
Push up.
some?
I don't think they're gonna eat
Push
them.
up.
Yeah.
There you go.
Got it. PJ
Yeah, you
said
got
he was gonna keep it and cook it.
Ollie, you got it.
Did he?
Keep going that way.
I don't think he's gonna do that. Never mind.
Yes, he did. When he was doing that.
Right over there.
Remember yesterday we went to see them?
Oh yeah.
And pull.
I can't.
It's okay, Zoe. Don't make yourself scared. Cause if, like, I'm really telling you, if Jalen can do it, I can do it, and you can do it.
But the thing is, Jalen said
That's the I believe in the test. Yeah. Last crawl. The rest is just walking. Cool.
You got this, come on.
I think all of you got it.
I'll help you, Zoe, if you need help.
Then crawl through here. Crawl through here.
You. Keep everybody together.
Over there.
There's nothing else but us three of us.
3 foot. Sorry.
Why would they leave us back here without a counselor?
On the left. Up.
You guys can decide.
Up. Like this.
Just stay together.
I'm on my period here. I think I got you.
I know they're just waiting on the other side.
And pull. Left.
I know exactly where they are too.
And then go up there.